Hey everyone, this is Sue My Everyday. Today I'm going to be unboxing a small wallet that I've been looking for. I typically have the long wallets and those are great. I'm more accustomed to using those, but I have smaller bags now and I'm kind of consolidating and been looking for something a little bit smaller. So been searching online and I came across a wallet that looked beautiful online. And you know what? Let's just get to the unboxing. Got this, and I do have a couple of Prada bags, but I've never had a Prada wallet. Again, this was a little bit of an impulse buy. I was actually looking for a Louis Vuitton wallet, and even though they look great, I think I just wanted something a little different. So then I started searching, came across Saks Fifth, and they had this wallet, and let's see, what did I get? All right, the box is really nice and sturdy. So Prada, good job. It's been a while. I think the last purchase that I made from Prada, it was probably in 2005, so it's been a while. You know, with 2 kids, it's kind of hard to kind of splurge on yourself, but now I kind of am getting a little better with that. So it comes with a little card. Cool, and it tells you exactly what it is. What did I get? And then the tissue paper even has the little Prada logo on it, which is really cute. Ooh, what did I get? So here it is. It's the Pebble Leather French bifold wallet. Has the gold hardware, and then wait for it, it's red inside. Since this is a new channel, you'll soon learn that I have a couple of criteria that I look for. I like anything that has skulls, anything that has red, and anything that's kind of studded, basically. Those are my kind of like top things right now. I'm sure there'll be more that will be added to the list, but that's what I kind of like right now. So look at it. It's black on the outside and then red on the inside. I love, love, love the pop of color. I saw this online and I'm like, this is so me. I'll have some zoomed in pictures as well. So here's the wallet close up. So you can see the beautiful Prada logo here. You can see it there. It's raised and it's really pretty. And then this is the black pebbled leather. And this is how it looks inside. I just love, like, I gasp every time I open this up. I love this color red. So this is how it looks inside, close up. You have the Prada logo here, also imprinted in gold. But I can see this will probably rub off, which would kind of bother me, but you know, that's the wear and tear of things. So, and then this is the coin pocket, which again, I'm kind of iffy on. I've never had a coin pocket that just buttons, so, but I could see, I don't know if coins will, actually fall out of here. And then you have 1, 2, 3 card holders here. It looks like it would be able to stretch out enough where you could hold like 2 in one slot. And then I guess these are the authenticity type of cards here that I'm gonna put back. And then I guess a little holder here. And you have, I always call these like the secret pockets. So you have a secret pocket back here, maybe you wanna hold some cards back there as well, or like a secret stash of cash, and another secret pocket back there. And then you have a very, very generous large size for the bills here. And then here is like a more like a nylon material back here. I mean, overall, it's a really nice wallet, nothing in the back. I don't know, I guess I was expecting something a little bit smaller. I mean, it's definitely smaller than my long wallets. I have the Louis Vuitton Clements wallet, so it is obviously bigger, but I guess I'll see. I'll have to decide whether or not I'm gonna keep this. This is retail for $420 on the Saks Fifth Avenue website. and the dimensions is 3.25 inches in height and then 4.5 in length. I'll have to see whether or not I'm gonna keep this. I mean, again, this was kind of like an impulse. I didn't get to see this in person. The red, basically, I mean, once I see red, I'm like all sense goes out the window, basically, for me. So I'll have to consider. I mean, it's, you know, I've seen reviews on this type of wallet, not with the red inside though. I haven't seen that, or I haven't searched long enough. But I mean, people do like it, and I think I would get use out of it. The leather's really soft. I kind of wanted the wallet in the Saffiano, I think I'm saying this right, leather instead, because I know that's harder. And for a wallet that's going to be going in and out of a bag, I think that would be a little bit more durable. But this pebble leather, you know, it feels nice as well. One of my concerns would be like it will scratch up pretty easily. So I'll have to kind of, you know, decide. I mean, I wish I had the luxury of going into stores and actually looking at items, but you know, the way my schedule is with 2 kids, with work and everything else, is a little difficult to get to the store. So I tend to online shop a lot, buy the item, and then I end up returning it if I don't feel that, you know, it's gonna work for me. So I guess we'll see whether or not I'm gonna keep this. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.